don't think this wrong by X Pistol. It says remix. It's a lot of remixes on them, I guess. Bro, I don't fucking know, bro. I didn't too busy going on SoundCloud, just went on YouTube. I was like, fuck it. But we gonna get into this shit. Free X, nigga. Free X. Stop fucking playing with me. Free X, man. Oh shit. Ready, set, go. Kakarot.
Sunrise, nigga. Still a D side, nigga. I think it's about that time. We tell these niggas. I've been a nobody. Been a member of the fall.
We're powering up in the background.
Ay, I am the lyrical veteran, one strict adrenaline, pussy boy who you is better than gripping that pistol whip. The bitch is submission, so I make the pistol whip. Murder and kill riches. I slept in fucking refusing to give a shit. Cocking them out to show you what I'm about yourself.
This bitch. Yeah. Yeah.
She wanna be famous for shaking her anus. I told her you can get your fuck on the flip. I'm done the
I'm not gonna lie though. That bass on the beat overpowering his voice, bro. I'm not even lying right now. It's overpowering his voice. They do that in song, most of his songs. But I can catch some lines. That shit was short as fuck, man. Yo, it be pissing me off sometimes because I be wanting to hear so much more. So I'll be thinking like maybe he didn't finish the songs, but somebody leaked them out. I don't know, bro. Ain't gonna lie, the bass was overpowering his voice, man. That's all I can say for that. That's a good turn up song, but it's too damn short. By damn time you get into it and you start turning the fuck up, it ends. It's like, damn, man. I gotta play that bitch again, put that bitch on repeat, then start, yeah. Yeah, but it's your boy, my lit resume. I'm out. Thank you for watching. Peace, man. What? Yeah, gang gang.